Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. In today's topic, we'll be discussing something that is extremely important: vandalism. It's more than just broken windows or graffiti on the walls. Vandalism impacts safety, damages property value, and creates an environment of fear or neglect. Whether it's a residential building, a school, or a business, preventing vandalism is critical to protecting both people and property. Vandalism is a costly and disruptive problem for property owners, businesses, and community spaces. Graffiti, property damage, and unauthorized access don't just hurt appearances, they also affect safety, tenant satisfaction, and overall trust in the environment. One of the most effective ways to reduce vandalism is through video intercom systems. Unlike traditional intercoms, video intercoms combine communication with live video verification. This means that every visitor must be visually identified before gaining access. Vandals lose their anonymity, making them think twice before attempting to enter or damage property. In residential buildings, video intercoms allow tenants to see who's at the door before buzzing them in, preventing strangers from slipping inside. In schools, healthcare facilities, and offices, staff can verify visitors in real time, reducing opportunities for trespassing and vandalism. When integrated with security cameras and access control, video intercoms provide a layered defense. Entry attempts are recorded, creating a visual log that can be used as evidence in case of damage. This accountability alone deters many would-be vandals. By making entry secure, visible, and recorded, video intercoms protect both property and people, keeping communities safer, reducing repair costs, and building peace of mind. At Comm Systems, we design and install advanced video intercom solutions that give property managers and owners powerful tools to stop vandalism before it starts. Thank you for watching Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.